Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP Physics exam step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which typically includes two sections, a multiple choice section and a free response section. The multiple choice part usually has 50 questions, while the free response section contains 5 questions. Knowing this helps you allocate your study time effectively across all topics. This foundational step is crucial for building a successful study plan. Next, dive deep into mastering core physics concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, truly understand the underlying principles. For instance, grasp Newton's 3 laws of motion and their applications. Create your own comprehensive formula sheet, organizing equations by topic, which will also aid in memorization. Dedicate extra study time to topics where you feel less confident, perhaps spending an additional 30 minutes per day on those challenging areas. Effective practice is your key to success. Utilize official College Board practice exams, completing them under timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. For example, try to finish the multiple choice section in 90 minutes. After each practice session, thoroughly review your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to understand why you made errors. Practice both multiple choice and free response questions equally, as each section contributes 50% to your overall score. As the exam day approaches, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before to be well-rested and alert. On the morning of the exam, eat a nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain and maintain focus throughout the 3-hour exam. During the test, manage your time wisely. Allocate approximately 1.5 minutes per multiple choice question and about 15 minutes per free response question.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.